Friends, imagine you are baking your favorite cake for the first time, following a recipe you found online. In this scenario, the recipe serves as a set of step-by-step instructions guiding you through the baking process. Similarly, in the world of computers, when you want to accomplish a task, you rely on a set of instructions that tell the computer what to do. These instructions are like the recipe for your cake, helping the computer complete the task efficiently. In the world of computers, these sets of instructions are called programs. Just like the recipe for baking a cake, a program provides the computer with a series of steps to follow in order to achieve a specific outcome. Whether it is calculating complex mathematical equations, organizing data, or displaying graphics on a screen, programs are essential for directing the computer's action. Now, based on this explanation, here is an MCQ. Dash consists of step-by-step instructions that tell the computer how to complete the task, and the options are program, hardware, data, objects. Let's talk about each option and find out the correct answer. Program. A program is a set of instructions written in a programming language that directs the computer to perform specific tasks. Computer executes the instructions in the program to achieve the desired outcome. Hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, such as the processor, memory, keyboard, and mouse. While hardware enables the computer to function, it does not provide instructions on how to perform tasks. Data. Data refers to the information processed or stored by a computer. It includes text, numbers, images, and other types of information. Unlike programs, data does not contain instructions for completing tasks, but rather serves as input or output for programs. Objects. In programming, objects are instances of classes that encapsulate data and behavior. They are used in object-oriented programming to model real-world entities and interact with each other. Based on the scenario and understanding of computer operations, the correct answer is program. Programs consist of step-by-step instructions that direct the computer to tasks. Friends, you can learn more about this topic in your MSCIT book.